Good morning, good morning, good morning. I've got a few ways of doing video now. I could either do it in ScreenFlow or I can do it in OBS. And seeing as I'm making mock-ups and themes and layouts for OBS right now, it made sense to just record this with OBS. So hopefully it's got all the audio and everything. I haven't checked it. This is to go for a DTube post called Looking for Someone to Help with a Tool to Check the Current Steam Price and then pass that in a dollar value back to a Stripe button. So these are some of the, that's the wrong one. That's the wrong pad. Off to a good start. Where's my other notepad? Oh, I know where it is. Right, hang on. Here. My bad. All right. So I have a need for my little Steam business, which is ihascard, ihas.card.co. Spelt like that, ihas, CARRD. We can accept fiat payments with the Stripe button, but if we want to take payments in Steem or SBD, then we have to do it as a manual process, and then we have to build a button to connect to steemconnect. Ideally, what we'd like is to do it in real time to check maybe 5 exchanges, put an average of that price for Steem, and then work out the amount of our templates are $35 each. So we need to convert how much Steem that is, create that code, pass it to a Stripe button and accept, no, sorry, not pass it to a Stripe button, convert it to a button where you can pay either with steemconnect or with the new Steem wallet by Yappa Matt. That way we can take a payment straight in to our Steem account. We'll probably set up a Steem account separately for the card business as well. That way you can pay with Steem instead of just fiat, because obviously that's what we're trying to build now over the next 6 months. Ideally, we'd like to be making lots of little MVPs or minimum viable product businesses for Steem accepting Steem. So I'm looking for a way to be able to convert that. So I'm going to quickly go over that again. What I need is to get the price of Steem from a number of exchanges. So maybe 5 exchanges would be enough. Average out the price of what Steem is. Work out the amount of Steem that equals a passed through amount. Build a Steem Connect or activate Steem keychain to come up for the payment. And then ideally, and I know this is a lot more to ask, but ideally get a push notification in something or a email to let me know that I've received that. Now, I've got Steamify running on my mobile phone, so I would get a push notification that I've received some Steem, but I would like to have that email just in case. So this has got me thinking about the things that I think we're kind of missing, and I know some people are working on these things, and we have various plugins. One that I've mentioned in the post, which is WooCommerce Steem from Recrypto, who I'm very keen to talk to, hopefully, because I mentioned him in the blog post of this DTube video. He will read the post. He already puts out a plugin for WordPress for WooCommerce that works out all the figures. So he must get that from exchanges somehow. And I'm wondering if we can take that code and make that code accessible for lots of different platforms, like lots of gateways, so that it makes it easier for people to put buttons on their website for people to pay in Steem and work out the price of Steem based on how much they put into a control panel or something. I know it needs more thought, but hopefully this post will help with that. Then I've been thinking, yesterday I uploaded some video to Library, which is lrby.io, I think, lbry.io, which is another blockchain, a bit like the Steem blockchain, but for storing video media. They've got a beautiful player, and I uploaded a video how to get a Steem account on it. I know that's kind of weird to advertise another blockchain on a blockchain, but I put that video up and I got paid 100 library credits for it, and it got paid into this Steem bot, which I had to interact with to get my library credits that somebody had tipped me out of it to my wallet in my library app. And it got me thinking, damn, we need some Steem bots out there on Twitter. We have nearly 1,000 hashtag Steem tweets every day. Why don't we have some kind of automated Twitter bot that can do a variety of things? And the first thing I thought about was jobs. Wouldn't it be cool to be able to, like, say I want somebody to do such and such and the amount, and then it handles all the interactions with somebody? Just an idea, put it out there, go and build it, steal it, use it, make money off it, put it back into the Steem economy. So I don't know why I put gateways twice on it. Maybe I just didn't change the text. And then the final thing is another blockchain that I've seen, which I really like, They do this thing with just a URL, and in the encrypted URL is the ability to send money. I'm trying to think of the blockchain right now, but I really like the idea of being able to, I would love to be able to connect up with steemconnect or Steem Wallet and say, I want to build a 5 Steem link, or even for Steem delegation, a 20 or 50 or 100 SP delegation link. And I can share that via a comment or via Twitter or anywhere where I can put text, email maybe. And that way, when the user gets that URL, they click on it, and the first one to get it gets the delegation. It accepts it, and you receive it. So you could do it for competitions, you could do it for email shout outs, you could do it for live streams. We definitely need something like that on the Steem blockchain. Anyway, just a bunch of ideas today. I don't know why I'm using the red background from Activate, maybe because I was doing that last night. We've even got the Activate logo there, but lots to come, lots of things working on, lots of different channels, but I wanted to have a play around with this and get it out and get it done.